Hi, in this video I will teach you everything you need to know to start using an airbrush. Whether you're a total beginner or have tried before, by the end of this video you will be able to use an airbrush with confidence. First, let's quickly get over the main parts of an airbrush. This is the paint cup, this is trigger, and here we have needle and nozzle. Good results start with proper paint preparation. Your paint should not be too thick or too thin. The consistency should be similar to low-fat milk. If you are using acrylic like I am here, it's so very important to filter the paint before pouring it into the airbrush. You can easily do this by using a lace socks like this. When switching between colors like black and white, you don't need to fully clean it every time, just a quick rinse. When switching from dark to white color, take a few extra seconds and spray clean until there is absolutely nothing left. If needed, wipe the inside of the cup with a paper towel, then add the new color. Here are a few pro tips to instantly improve your results. First, don't stay in one spot. Bleed color in thin layers. And remember, airbrush and user requires patience, not speed. Once you're done painting, the worst thing you can do is say, I will clean it later. I clean it fast. First, pour out any remaining paint from the cup. Add a small amount of water or airbrush cleaner, gently swirl it around, and spray it out until it runs clean. Cover the nozzle tip and pull the trigger to backflash. This will loosen any paint trapped in the internal channels. Now, for a deep clean. Take everything apart and drop the parts into hot water. This makes sure there is no dried paint stuck inside. Then, clean the needle with a towel. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more.